guys, it's Deidre from our Upcycled Life and welcome to my channel. If you like thrifting, DIYs, and repurposing, you've come to the right place and we'd love to have you follow along. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any great content. Today I'm going to show you how to age paper, just plain computer paper. So you can make it look really rustic and really old and really antique looking, and then you can add it to your projects. It's a really simple procedure, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can make it yourself. I'm actually doing a series of videos on different techniques that you can age paper. So I'll put a link below in the description for the other ones that I've done so you can go back and watch them after you've watched this one. Okay, let's get started.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Until you see her, you'll agree.
Today I'm going to show you how you can age computer paper right from your printer with tea bags. I've printed this off from the Graphics Fairy and she has all kinds that you can choose from. I'll put a link below in the description so you can go and visit her site. And today you're going to need a sponge, 2 tea bags, some hot water, and a spoon. And you're just going to put the tea bags in the hot water and let them steep for about 5 or 10 minutes. I like to crumple my paper before doing this technique. It just kind of gives it wrinkles and creases and makes it look a little more aged. I've printed this off on my LaserJet printer. I find the LaserJet gives it the best results. You can do it on an inkjet, although you might find that the ink might run a little bit. I've let the tea steep for 10 minutes and now I'm going to take the sponge and wet it with the tea and just dab it all over the whole graphic. I find I like to leave little puddles of the tea solution in little corners and stuff because when it dries it makes it a little bit darker and it just gives it more of an authentic look. And of course, the more tea bags that you put in it, the darker it'll be, so that's your preference. Just play around with it and see what you like. You're going to preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Set the paper on the cookie sheet in the oven at 200 degrees and shut the door and watch it. Don't walk away, don't leave it. You want to keep an eye on it and it'll probably take about 5 or 10 minutes for it to dry completely. And it's all dry and ready for the last step. To finish it off, I like to make it nice and flat so it's easier to use for projects. I adjust my iron to the lowest setting and then I take the mister and I spray the top paper a little bit with the water and then I iron it until I feel that it's all nice and flat. And there you have the finished aged paper using tea bags. I've created a whole playlist of aged paper techniques, so if you're interested you can head over there now and see all the different ways that you can age your paper for your projects to make them look fabulous. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial and it has inspired you to make some aged paper. Thanks for watching and have a great day.